Okay, this corkscrew willow right here behind me needs to go. I don't know if you can see those funguses right there. These mushrooms coming out. But it's a corkscrew willow and it's not doing so hot right here. Here's some of the issues it's got going on. Really pretty tree when they're healthy, but I mean, you don't have to go very far down the main stem to see these mushrooms popping out. And it's been extra moist lately, so that could be adding to it, but look at all this exposed wood. You got mushrooms right there. You got mushrooms right here. Mushrooms at the base. Another species right there. I don't know if that's decaying the wood at all, but it's there. Little canker. That's part of the tree. But here's some more fungus. Yeah, this thing's just decaying while it's alive. And if you look on this side, so we've got this split right in the middle with these roots coming out just from the excess water and debris that just kind of builds up in here. But look at this split. The mushrooms are just popping out all over the place on this thing. Way down inside. I think the barrier zone's compromised on this guy. But it's not that big. Let's see if I can talk him into taking it out. Closer to the base of the tree on this side. More mushrooms. And yep, of course there's more popping up down in there. I don't know if how well they can be seen on the camera. Yep, this whole thing just needs to go. I'm sure some people are gonna be sad to see it go, but it won't take long for a tree to fill its spot. Alright, we got the approval to take that tree out. We're gonna do that in time-lapse here, so I'm gonna get my gear on to climb up the portion of it that hopefully isn't gonna fall on me. But it's not that big of a tree, so I'm not too worried about it. was right here behind me. And this is what it looks like now. I'm gonna wait to cut it at the base, just another day. But you can see, and that's another fungus right there. Mushrooms are still intact. So we'll see if we decide to let it grow back or plant something new. My suggestion, plant something new. Might even be the same species, but it just needs to be a new tree altogether.